Do you think enough na yung how the Philippines is explaining the award to the world? Not to our partners, obviously they understand it. The US understands that. Canada, Australia, Japan, full support, right? But how about the other countries? Perhaps smaller countries, farther countries, non-Pacific countries. What else can the Philippines do? And this is perhaps beyond the AFP's mandate.
It is. This could be probably through the other departments, informing them that we have this Arbitral Tribunal Award. It's a legal landmark for us. The other government agencies, probably DFA, probably Department of Trade and Industry, when they do the engagement with other countries, they could cite this legal reference and make maximum use of it, maximum benefit of it.
Right. So it's also a matter of communication. Because sometimes I can't help but feel perhaps to some corners of the world, they might not fully understand the impact of this award and why we do what we do in the West Philippines.
Yes, in fact, not even only government agencies, but even individuals. Bawat Pilipino, dapat alam natin ito.
Sa loob ng Pilipinas, sir, do you think enough na ang ginagawa ng government?
Hindi pa.
Okay.
There's still a need to push this further down. I would like to cite yung ginawa ng Cebu and Labrador, Pangasinan. And other LGUs are now coming up with their own stand, their own resolutions, recognizing July 12. NGOs, we have Aten ito, shout out to them. Naka-4 o 5 expedition na sa West Philippine Sea, sa Bajo de Masinloc. We need more of this. I'd like to encourage other LGUs to take a stand. It is not for the AFP or DND. It's for every Filipino today and more importantly in the future.
It's for Filipinos who aren't even born yet, right? And I think it's especially important ito for parts of the Philippines that are not necessarily facing the West Philippine Sea.
Yes, because yung acceptance and understanding is doon lang sa mga major cities and those on the western part of the country.
Yeah.
Mindanao, from where I come from, hindi pa masyado.
Yeah.